The most trending rebuild story in the automotive world just took a very bold turn, and everybody seems to be enjoying every bit of it. Matt Armstrong's wide-body Chiron project has officially started, and when it is finished, this will become the first wide-body Bugatti Chiron in the entire world. But getting to this point hasn't been easy. After Bugatti refused to sell Matt Armstrong many of the replacement parts he needed to repair the car, most people expected the project to slow down. Instead, Matt did the complete opposite. He pushed ahead with one of the boldest hypercar builds the internet has ever seen. And now, the rebuild has entered a completely different stage. The damaged Chiron is no longer just being repaired, it is being transformed. For this stage of the build, Matt teamed up with Venuum to create a completely custom wide body kit. This isn't an off-the-shelf body kit that anyone can order. Every panel has been designed specifically for this car. The front bumper, the rear bumper, the wider fenders, the side skirts, the bonnet. Everything has been built to completely change the appearance of the Chiron while still respecting the original design language. And seeing those first panels go onto the car makes one thing very clear. This project is becoming something nobody has ever attempted before. Instead of simply rebuilding a crashed Bugatti back to factory condition, Matt is creating a one-of-one hypercar, something that has never existed. But while fitting the body panels was exciting, the biggest challenge was still waiting. The headlights. If you've been following this rebuild from the beginning, you'll remember exactly why this became such a huge problem. Bugatti's CEO made it clear that the company would not sell replacement parts directly to Matt Armstrong. That meant getting something as simple as a headlight suddenly became nearly impossible. And unlike most cars, you can't just order Bugatti Chiron headlights online or walk into your local parts store. Only a few hundred Chirons exist worldwide, which means replacement parts are incredibly rare. So Matt had only two choices: wait, or find another way. He chose the second option. Then, something completely unexpected happened. Someone contacted him, claiming they had a genuine pair of Bugatti Chiron headlights available. Not only that, they were offering them for around 90% less than their normal value. It sounded almost too good to be true. Most people would probably think it was a scam, but opportunities like this almost never happen. So Matt made a decision that surprised everyone. He boarded a private jet, flew to another country, and met the seller. The exchange looked like something straight out of a movie. The headlights were handed over from the back of a car. The seller's identity was hidden. His face was blurred. Clearly, nobody wanted unnecessary attention surrounding where these parts came from. Whether you call it the black market, or simply another way of sourcing impossible to find Bugatti parts. One thing was certain. Matt finally had the headlights he desperately needed. The next challenge was making them work. Because these weren't simply going to bolt straight onto the car. Remember, this Chiron is no longer factory standard. It is becoming a wide body build, which meant the new Venuum body kit also required careful modifications before everything could fit perfectly. Slowly, piece by piece, the front end started coming together. The wider arches transformed the stance of the car. The aggressive bumper completely changed its personality. And once the headlights were installed, for the first time, you could actually begin to imagine what the finished car might look like. But then, another problem appeared. When Matt switched everything on, the main lights worked. The indicators worked, but the daytime running lights stayed completely off. Immediately, doubts started creeping in. Had he just spent all that money on faulty headlights? Were they damaged? Had he been scammed after all? Considering how unusual the purchase had been, it honestly seemed possible. Thankfully, the answer turned out to be much simpler. Instead of assuming the headlights were broken, Matt continued reconnecting the remaining electronic control modules. Then, almost instantly, everything came to life. The daytime running lights illuminated exactly as they should. It wasn't a faulty headlight. It was simply missing the correct electronic communication. Just like that. One more major obstacle had been overcome. Moments like these are exactly why millions of people continue following this rebuild. Every episode feels like another impossible challenge. One week, it's tracking down rare Bugatti components that most people will never even see in person. The next, it's diagnosing complicated electrical faults that could leave the entire project at a standstill. Then, it's carefully reshaping one of the world's most exclusive hypercars with a completely custom wide-body conversion. And somehow, Matt always manages to find a way forward. No matter how difficult the obstacle seems, he keeps the rebuild moving. What's even more remarkable is just how far this project has drifted from its original purpose. At the beginning, the mission was straightforward: rescue a crashed Bugatti that many believed was beyond saving, repair the damage, replace the missing parts, get it running again. That alone would have been an incredible achievement. But somewhere along the way, the vision became much bigger. Instead of simply restoring the car, Matt decided to build something the automotive world had never seen before. Now, this Chiron isn't just making its way back onto the road. It's being transformed into a completely one-of-one machine. A Bugatti that won't have an identical twin anywhere on the planet. A build that reflects creativity just as much as engineering. And that's exactly what has made millions of people invest in this journey. Every new episode reveals another piece of the puzzle. Each moment pushes the project one step closer to completion. And every milestone reminds you just how much progress has already been made. When you compare the car today with the condition it arrived in, the difference is almost unbelievable. The transformation speaks for itself. You can clearly see the wider stance beginning to define the car, the sharper body lines giving it a far more aggressive appearance, the custom styling setting it apart from every other Chiron in existence. The proportions look different. The presence feels different. Even unfinished, it already commands attention. And that's before the final paintwork. The finishing details, or the completed interior, everything is gradually falling into place. Every completed section makes the next stage even more exciting. And with every episode, the anticipation only continues to build. Because the closer this project gets to completion, the bigger the questions become. What will it look like when every panel is finally aligned? How dramatic will it appear once it's painted? And perhaps the biggest question of all, if the progress continues at this pace, we're witnessing what could become one of the most memorable automotive builds ever documented on YouTube. Not simply because it's a Bugatti, but because of everything it took to reach this point. This rebuild has become far more than a simple repair project, judging by everything we've seen so far. The most exciting moments are probably still to come. The finish line is finally starting to come into view. And when this wide-body Bugatti Chiron eventually rolls out of the workshop under its own power, it won't just mark the end of an extraordinary rebuild. It will mark the beginning of a completely new chapter in automotive history. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next chapter of this unbelievable Chiron rebuild.